Have you ever been stuck on a flight next to that passenger? The one who treats the cabin like their living room, their kitchen, or their personal spa? Look, flying in 2025 already comes with delays, tiny seats, and rising cost. Don't make it worse by doing things that literally drive people crazy or get you in trouble. Period. These are the things you should never do on a plane. And if you're doing even one of them, you might be the reason everyone's giving you the side eye. Let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Cher here from True Travel Treasures. You already know what's up. We keep it cute, classy, and TSA compliant on this channel. And today we're going over what not to do on an airplane in 2025. From bad habits to straight up federal offenses. Yes, really. And number 6 could land you on the no-fly list. I'm not joking. Let's get into it. Number 1, taking your shoes off barefoot. Ugh. Ma'am, sir, I don't care how swollen your ankles are. Keep your socks on. I get it. Flying is uncomfortable. And these shoes start feeling like foot prisons, for lack of a better phrase. But please, don't unleash your raw dogs into the wild. Airline carpets can't get deep clean the way your living room does. People drop food, sweat, and sometimes bodily fluids on them carpets. Plus, walking into that airplane lavatory barefoot, I'm going to stop you right there. That ain't water. Better move, wear breathable slip-ons and a good pair of compression socks to manage swelling without the horror show. We don't want that. I've linked those in my YouTube shop below. You can go purchase. Number 2, spraying strong perfume or cologne. You might love your scent, I understand, but trust me, everyone else doesn't. And in that tiny recycled air tube in the sky that we all have to sit in, there's no escape from it. Passengers around you could be allergic, asthmatic, or just sensitive. One spray can cause headaches, nausea, or even full-on coughing fits. In fact, in 2025, several airlines have added warnings about excessive fragrance use during boarding. Just in case you don't know. Here's a better move. Use non-scented wipes. Stay fresh and save the spritz for your arrival. Yeah, wait till you land. You can still be clean without choking out row 12, right? Number 3, using the overhead bin like it's your closet. Some folks treat the overhead bin like it's a full-size wardrobe. They're up every 10 minutes grabbing a snack, rearranging shoes, or digging for their iPad like they lost buried treasures. Let me tell you, I'm going to tell you something. Opening that bin constantly causes delays, turbulence, injuries, and just plain chaos. So stop it. A better move is pack a personal item with your essentials. Snack, medications, headphones, etc. And stash it under the seat in front of you, for heaven's sake. That way you're not playing acrobat every hour. Number 4, ignoring the seatback etiquette. This is a hot one. People out here recline their seats like they're in a first-class lie-flat pod. Here's the newsflash. You're not. Slamming your seat back during meals or jamming the headrest when you stand up is the fastest way to become public enemy number 1. I've seen arguments, spilled drinks, and even physical fights over this. Yes, here's a better move. Recline gently and with a quick glance behind you. And when you stand, use your own armrests for support, not someone else's neck pillow. Okay? You make sure you do that. Number 5, taking off your socks and propping up your feet. Who does that? But yes, I had to separate this from just bare feet because some of you all go a step further. You take off your socks and lift those dogs onto the tray, table, window ledge, or seat in front of you. Feet in other people's airspace is a no, 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 no. It's unsanitary and it's just rude. Here's a better move. Stretch your legs in your seat or walk the aisle during the flight. You can also get a compact travel footrest that hooks onto the tray table. That's more classy, more discreet, and more comfortable. And yes, it's in my YouTube shop below. You already know what to do. Number 6, getting drunk or belligerent. Oh my gosh. I cannot stress this enough. If you act up in the air, you're not just having a bad day, you're breaking federal law. Did you know that? In 2025, airlines are not playing with that. If you're intoxicated and causing a disruption on the plane, flight attendants are trained to report you to the feds. That could mean a fine, getting banned from flying, or even worse. Here's a better move. Have one drink maximum. Just one. And if you're stressed, try herbal teas or calming apps. And drink water. Lots of it. The altitude dehydrates you fast and makes alcohol hit harder. Number 7, watching or playing content without headphones. Who does that? But people do. You know what's not fun at 6 a.m.? Hearing someone else's TikTok loop over and over, or their true crime podcast, or their mobile game sound effects. Cabin noise is already high, and in your audio, and the whole section becomes, add your audio and the whole section becomes a sonic war zone. Here's what you do. Always carry a pair of earbuds, wired or wireless, or a headset. Many airlines still hand them out. If you're watching something on your phone, turn the subtitles on and mute that thing if your headphones are missing in action. And here's a bonus. Never forget your carry-on manners. What do I mean by that? Let's wrap this up with one that seems obvious, but keeps happening over and over again. Don't bring an oversized bag and act shocked when it doesn't fit in the overhead bin. Don't swing your backpack around and smack 3 people. I've had that happen to me. And listen, don't leave your bag unzipped and spill your stuff in the aisle. Here's a better move. Pack smart. Use tubes. Zip it tight. And when you lift, bend those knees, baby. We don't need no airport chiropractor bills. At 36,000 feet, no. Want to know exactly what to pack and what to avoid? Inside my digital travel bundle, I walk you through packing list, carry-on do's and don'ts, solutions for airport chaos, real-life scenarios, and even a full 2025 travel planner that goes into 2026, made for everyday travelers just trying to fly stress-free. Snag it below in the description. There's a link, and thank yourself later. Oh, and before you go stressing and Googling travel gear for hours, don't do that. I got you covered. I already did all the homework for you. All my favorite travel must-haves are right below this video in my YouTube shop. Yep, carry-ons, packing cubes, travel pillows, travel essentials, compression socks, everything that actually makes travel easier in 2025. And if you don't see what you need down there, then no worries. Just type what you want in that shop's search bar. You're already here. So save yourself time from and the hassle also, and get what works, because you don't have to go anywhere else. I got you covered. So now you know the flying don'ts. But what about the stuff that can secretly wreck the entire trip? Watch this video right up here somewhere, where I go into the 10 worst travel mistakes people are still making in 2025. Even seasoned travelers do it. Hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and drop a comment if you've seen any of these happen to you on your last flight or whatever. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until the next video, safe travels and take care.